Hey there guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today we'll be actually testing Claude 3.5 Sonnet and Deepseek's V3 model. And the task here is to generate the complete state-of-the-art Pac-Man game. So we have actually tested this model for this particular question in a previous video where we did an overall comparison of these two models. But here what we're going to do is we will not be testing these models for one shot answer. Instead, we'll be continuously retrying until one of them is able to solve this question, because this question is quite hard and actually these models fail multiple times. So let's get started. Let's paste this question to both of the models. So here for Claude 3.5 Sonnet I am using Open Web UI because I have seen many of times when we are testing this question, right? Claude 3.5 Sonnet gives a very long code and there is no continue generation feature in its own UI and also in Open Router. So whereas in Open Web UI you can do continue generation similarly how we do in chat GPT interface. So actually I have all the models that are mentioned in Open Router here on my Open Web UI, and I can mix and match and do a lot of things that Open Web UI enables for you. So if you want a video on Open Web UI, then comment down and I'll be telling you how you can connect Open Web UI with Open Router so that you can use all these models with the benefits of Open Web UI. So moving on, this is the question. You can see we have to create a state-of-the-art Pac-Man game. Various conditions are given. The condition is that we have to use only one single code and no external images or media, anything. Everything has to be generated within the code. So let's get this started. Let's send this to both the models. Okay, so Claude 3.5 Sonnet has straight up started the code, and okay, it is giving us a very good maze. And the maze is a part where these models actually struggle. Here you can see the maze of 3.5 Sonnet is way better to the one on the right, that is Deepseek. I do have some hopes when it comes to 3.5 Sonnet. Okay, so it has just given us the maze and it says that this is the first part of the implementation. Okay, we'll ask that. No, give us complete code from start to end. One single code. Do your best. Let's see. Now if we look at Deepseek, it has given us the complete code. Nice. So let's test this out. I've set up my IDE and let's run this. So immediately we don't see any kind of errors. Let's run. Okay, so I don't think it has worked. There is an error. Okay, so we'll copy this error and send this to the Deepseek model. Fix this, and we'll also mention that it has to improve its maze. So improve your maze to be larger and exactly resembles the original game. So we have given this feedback to Deepseek. By the time 3.5 Sonnet is generating, I hope it completes in the context length that it has. Okay, so now if we look at the Deepseek model's response, you can see it is generating a very big maze, and that is exactly what we want, because that that will be a fair comparison between these two models. So given that, 3.5 Sonnet is done with its response, and let's actually copy this. Before copying, you can see this Open Web UI mentions code lines very nicely, and that is what I like about this. So moving on, let's actually paste this code and let's run. Okay, oh my god, that looks pretty awesome. Okay, let's see. Okay, we are able to eat it, but I do think there is an issue, right? Let's run this again. Let's see. So these ghosts are moving past the wall, so that has to be fixed. So the ghosts are moving past the wall. How is this possible? Please fix it and give me the best version. Okay, we have sent this to 3.5 Sonnet. Meanwhile, we are done with the Deepseek model's response, and okay, the maze looks pretty awesome now. Let's see if it is able to run this. Okay, so immediately we don't see any kind of errors. Let's run this. Okay, again we are not able to get a running code. So okay, so this issue is with the two-dimensional stereo mixer. So when we see this error, this means that the problem is in generating sound. So we'll ask it to give us the code without the sound. Give me the code without the sound. Complete code without any changes. Okay, so we have asked it to give us the code without any changes. Even OpenAI gets into this error sometimes, because I think getting the sound right is quite difficult for these models. Okay, so we are done with our 3.5 Sonnet model's output. Let's see. Let's copy this and let's paste it. Let's run. Okay, plus paste to start. Oh my god, that looks amazing. Okay, the looks are amazing, but the Pac-Man is not moving. The controls are not working. So let's convey this to the model. The controls are not working. The Pac-Man is not moving. Also, the game is not properly. Okay, so you can see automatically we are getting this autocomplete prompt in OpenWebUI. So this is the first time I'm saying this. That is not what we want. So we'll just mention this. The Pac-Man is not moving. Find errors and fix it and give me the best version. Giving me the best version is actually tripping this model out. So I'll just mention it to fix it and give me the correct complete code. Okay, let's send this to 3.5 Sonnet, and meanwhile we are done with our response with Deepseek. So let's try this out. Okay, so we indeed see a code, and I think it looks pretty awesome. The ghost is not moving. The ghosts are just jiggling around, and that has to be fixed. So the code is, meanwhile, let's see Claude 3.5 Sonnet. Here it says, I noticed the issue. I'll help you debug and fix it. Please provide me the complete code. The complete code is in the chat. With that, let's also prompt Deepseek. The game is good, but I think you can do way better. Pac-Man is moving very fast and the ghosts are now. Please fix it. Give me your best version. Let's see. So that is what we have prompted here in Claude 3.5 Sonnet. Okay, so would you like me to share with the correct completed code? Yes, please. Does it even have the access to all these chat, or there is an issue? Please give me complete code. Yeah, please. No more talks. Okay, I don't know why it's not giving us the complete code. So let's do one thing. Let's delete these and mention give me complete code. The Pac-Man is not moving. Please fix and give complete code. Let's see. So it says that the code is too long to fit in a single response. I'll split it into two parts. Okay, whatever may be the case, but let's copy Deepseek model's response because we have got it. So let's see. So no errors. Let's run this. Okay, so now the Pac-Man seems to be stuck because I'm not able to move past this. Okay, let's mention this. The Pac-Man seems to be stuck. Please correct the code and give me complete code. Let's see what Deepseek comes up with. And talking about 3.5 Sonnet, we have to continue generate maybe. Let's see. Let's continue the generation. Okay, so we might have to prompt it again. Okay, give me part 2 complete. Okay, it is giving us from def draw. It's okay, I believe I'll be able to copy it. And talking about Deepseek, I think by the time we got one response from 3.5 Sonnet, we were done with 2 to 3 responses from Deepseek. But we are using the home UI of Deepseek, so that is an advantage. So let's run this. Okay, I think that was awesome. But we are not seeing any kind of significant improvements. But other than that, it is working. I think the pellet which immobilizes these ghosts, that is not working. But when we approach the ghost, then we surely lose. So talking about that, we have a response from 3.5 Sonnet. Let's copy this and let's try this out. So def draw, right? The next part, this one. So next one is def draw maze. So let's paste this here. Okay, so this is not formatted correctly, I guess. Let's head over to ChatGPT and ask it to just format this correctly. I'll ask GPT 4 mini because we have to just do formatting, right? Okay, so we have got the complete code from GPT-4 mini. Let's copy this and let's try it out. Okay, so we still see an error. Let's see what it is. Okay, so the name ghost is not defined. Did you mean ghost? Let's send this to the model. Talking about Deepseek, it is constantly giving us same code. So let's just convey this directly to the model. Okay, so I'm just prompting the Deepseek model to fix the issues, that is jiggling around of the ghosts and everything. And talking about the error, let's just, okay, this is GPT-4 mini. Oh my god. Okay, here. So let's just copy paste this error and say, what is this error? Tell me which line to change, because getting a complete code from 3.5 Sonnet will be tough and we don't want to get into all of that again. Meanwhile, Deepseek is giving us the code. Very nice. Okay, so we have got the lines. These are the lines. Definite game. So let's change the definite game. Yeah, this one, right? Let me check. Yeah, this is the one, I guess. Let's paste this and let's run. Again, it says the name ghost is not defined. Did you mean ghosts? I think it is better that we ask it to give us the complete corrected code. Give me complete corrected code. No issues if it's long. Just give me the complete code. You can do it. Okay, so let's send this to 3.5 Sonnet, and meanwhile we have the response from Deepseek. Let's try this out. Okay, so no errors. Let's run this. Okay, so now I think the Pac-Man is a bit slower and the ghosts are trying to come to Pac-Man, but their movement is not correct. Okay, as you can see, I'm clearly in front of them, but still they are not following me, which is not what we want. So let's just send this to Deepseek. The movement of the ghosts is not correct. Please fix it. The movement of the ghost is not correct. Please fix it. So let's mention this to Deepseek, and okay, so it has given us part 1 of 3 and it will be giving us part 2 of 3. Let's see if continue response works or not. Continue response works when the response has stopped in midway, but here you can see it's a clear end. That's the reason continue response is not working. Okay, give me the next parts. So let's say give me the next parts. Let's see what we get. Okay, send the next part. So it is giving us code in 3 different parts. So this is an issue that 3.5 Sonnet gets into sometimes, but here at Deepseek here we can see that it is at least able to give us consistent code without any errors. So let's run this. Let's see. Oh my god, now the movement of ghost is a bit better, but again it's not perfect. Let's run this again. Okay, so they are following the Pac-Man for quite a while, but after that they are just moving. See, I'm just sitting here and they are just randomly moving here and there, and eventually they get to me. Okay, so 3.5 Sonnet has given us 3 parts. So I just forgot that instead of going to ChatGPT, I can use the GPT-4o mini model right from here. So I think the fastest model that will be able to, let's click GPT, let's select GPT-4o mini and let's use it. Give me the complete code without any changes in one go. Okay, so we have asked it to give us the complete code. I think GPT-4o mini should be pretty much fast. I think GPT-4o mini should be pretty fast. Okay, so it is giving us the complete code. Meanwhile, let's ask the Deepseek model to improve the movement of ghosts. Let's also try to improve the appearance. Okay, so you have told it to correct the errors and give us the state-of-the-art Pac-Man game. Let's see. And meanwhile, we are getting a response from GPT-4o mini. Okay, so even though we are using GPT-4o mini, it is taking some time to generate. Meanwhile, we are done with Deepseek model, and even Deepseek model has a continue feature. Let's actually use this. Nice. So very nice that Deepseek has this continue feature, and I have been waiting for this continue feature in the Claude website, but we haven't got it yet. Okay, anyways, let's test the code from Deepseek. Okay, wow, we now see a mouth. You can see that authentic Pac-Man mouth. So even though we have asked for improvements, we can see that sometimes these codes are not following Pac-Man, but anyways, I think it's consistent code. And even when we asked Deepseek to give us a complete better state-of-the-art game, it didn't deviate from what was working. So I think it is stuck here. Let's continue, and I hope it will be able to continue the generation. Okay, so we have got the complete code from GPT-4o mini. Let's copy this and let's try this out. Immediately we don't see any kind of errors. Let's see. So space to start. Okay, so it looks good, but it's not functional anymore. You can see we are still not able to move Pac-Man. So that is, I have to say, it's kind of a fail from 3.5 Sonnet, I guess. And talking about the Deepseek model, we can see it's working. It doesn't look that good, but it's working. There are some issues. The pellets are not working, and I think the ghost movement is, I think we can ignore that, but let's actually try to make these pellets work. So we are asking, when we hit the power pellet, nothing is happening to the ghost, please fix it. Let's see. So it says you're absolutely right and everything. Let's wait for the Deepseek model to give us the complete code. Meanwhile, let's actually try something. We know there was one version of this code which was absolutely running, so we'll be trying that one. Okay, so this was the version, right? The ghost is moving past a wall. How is this possible? Please fix it and give me complete code. So let's actually try this. Okay, so we are using GPT-4o mini by mistake. So 3.5 Sonnet. Yes, 3.5 Sonnet. Let's run this again. Okay, so we'll be getting a response from 3.5 Sonnet. So I think this is not something which we should be doing, but even in real life scenarios, we do retry and we just go back when things are not working. So I think it is pretty much legit. Okay, so we have got the response from Deepseek. Let's see if the issue of the pellets is fixed. Okay, see, now the issue of the pellets is fixed. That is nice. Now it's working. Let's try this again. So here you can see, okay, we have ate one ghost and it has respawned and came up with the new version. Nice. That is nice. You're also getting the final score. I'll not say that this is the best version that we have played, because The best is absolutely the one we got from Oven. So let's run this. So the Pac-Man is moving and now the ghosts are not moving. The power pellet is working, but they are just stuck here and they're not moving. So I think we have to give it a clear win for the Deepseek model because consistently it was able to maintain its code and was able to gradually improve. Even in the test we saw that Deepseek was better, and even here we see Deepseek is indeed better. But I have one more point to say, because if you compare the version that we got from DeepSeek and the one we got from 3.5 Sonnet, you can see aesthetically 3.5 Sonnet looks better. And even in my previous video where I compared OpenAI O1, 3.5 Sonnet and DeepSeek on a task that is draw a unicorn, even in that the first version from 3.5 Sonnet looks good. So I have seen this consistently that 3.5 Sonnet is a model when it comes to aesthetics, it's very good. And maybe the reason is that it had this artifacts and it was kind of fine tuned to work better with web pages, React applications and everything. And maybe that's the reason whatever it generates, it looks good. So this doesn't mean that I have not been able to generate a complete code with 3.5 Sonnet. In one of my few instances, I was able to get a complete working code from 3.5 Sonnet. But here you can see in a random testing, DeepSeek was better in maintaining its code, gradually improving on it. So what do you guys think about this comparison? Maybe you can do a side-by-side comparison of these two models. I'll be giving you the prompt that I used over here in my description. So do check that out. And while you are in the description, please make sure to hit the subscribe button and like this video if you like this comparison. And I'll see you guys in the next one.